Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about matrix organization. Matrix organization is a modern management organization. Modern management of organization. Remember this thing. Earlier, whichever we have studied, almostly were traditional since longer time. But now, as per the project, the different persons will be given importance. That is matrix organization. So the permanent appointment is not found here. Remember this thing. Permanent appointment is not found here. For any specific purpose, specific person will be appointed, will be brought from any specific department for specific time of the project. As the project will completed, he will be sent back to his place. Right? So remember one thing. The appointment is not permanent. Okay. Appointment in the enterprise is permanent. Appointment in the enterprise is permanent, but appointment for the project is not permanent. Up to the time of the project, the person will work in the same project. Is that clear? So it is called matrix organization. Here two type of the structures we can find: simple kind of structure and project based structure. So remember one thing, there is no similarities you will find here. As the time change, the person will move to the different department, right? Even in the government department also, they are working in the same manner. So there is no problem at all. There is no problem at all to think about that. Is it possible in government department? Yes. This kind of the structure we can find in the government department. And when for the specific person is appointed in a specific project, it is called the deputation. Means the appointment in the project is only for the project, not later that. Right? So remember one thing. Here usually we find combination of two different organizations. Simple kind of organization as a simple kind of structure as I have told, and second one is project based structure. So two different structures we can see in the one organization. So it is called matrix organization. Right? Okay. Now we understand what's the concept of the simple kind of structure first. The simple kind of structure is based on the decision making process. And here the higher authority is taking decision and the other authority who are being appointed will take appropriate decision as per his duties. So here you will find some specific work as being assigned to him, and that specific work is called project. So the second kind of structure is project based structure. Okay, now we understand one thing, that in this system, what will you find first? The first you will find many people are working with different projects at one time. As the time over, sometime he will be transferred to other department, sometime up to completion of the project he will be remain at the same place. So both are possible here, right? Okay. The combination of both the structures means simple and the project create the special situation. I repeat, combination of both the structure create the special situation, and this special situation gives more benefits to the project management. So we can say it is a multi-phased structure too, because two structure are in one organization, so it is called multi-phased structure. Okay, now here I discussed about explanation of meaning of matrix organization. Now I want to discuss the layout of it. See, the first thing you remember, in this type of organization, every person will given specific kind of work, and as per the numbers of project, his specialization will be seen in his work. So it is not necessary, as I have told earlier, it is not necessary that one person will concentrate only in one work. It is only possible in the simple kind of structure that he will be appointed for the specific duty. As the duty will be completed, he will be sent back to his post from which he is being brought. Okay, now remember one thing. In this kind of project, the project manager is being assigned number of projects at one time. He has all responsibilities for the specific time, and the experts are working with different tasks at one time in different work areas. As the projects are more, the tasks are more. As the concentration needed, they will continue to work. So it is important that different type of work they will try to concentrate at one place is not required, but they can concentrate at more than one projects from one place. He has to go only at one place or more place is not important, but how much project he is handling. All those projects need his attention from even sitting in the one place. It is sure. Okay, now listen me for another point. Project managers are appointed sometime as per the number of project. So it is possible that every project will be having at least one manager for one project at one time. This is important thing you remember. So usually if only one project is assigned to him, so the complete responsibility of the project will be on his side. Okay. As I want to give one example of military. Sometimes military handle different operations. For each operation, military appoint a different captain of the operation. So in that way, what you will see, manager of the operation is coming from different battalion. Battalion means unit, and the other soldiers of the army for that operation are coming from different department, different unit. So in that way, what will happen? Both higher officer and the soldiers are not from same unit, but both are coming from different units and working together. That is also possible. So in this situation, the expert for specific operation will be appointed in specific place. Not all people will be appointed at all places. So here selected experts will work, right? So in the same matrix organization we see that, okay, as the work is completed, his deputation is over, he has to go back to his place. Okay, now I want to discuss the structure. If you try to see the structure, you will find that general manager is on the top. Here there is a linear organization look too, but in the folded. The production, the purchase, the engineering means the machinery, and R&D, research and development, as per the layout given. Some people are working in project 1, some people are working in project 2, and some people are working in project 3. So in modern days, company always never appoint one person for all activities, but they divide activities in different projects. So you can see that at every project different people are working, and the authority and responsibility will be assigned from top to bottom, right? So it is very clear that linear organization is also associated with matrix organization. Now you understand one thing. Here, when you see the layout, you will find that experts are known as the manager, because in every project one manager is given in the layout, and these managers are originally expert of specific kind of work. They obtain their duties and they try to work as per the duties assigned to them. Okay, these works are mostly specific term based works, so there is no similarities and no longer work experience is important, but the expertise of the person is more important here. Okay my friends, I discussed about matrix organization, right?